in this video today I'm going to go through step by step how I've wall mounted this Samsung Q600A soundbar. It is pretty much the same for all Samsung soundbars I've come across, same process where you hook it on the bracket. So I'll go through it step by step. Also it applies to other soundbars as well, whether it be LG or whatever. Included with the Samsung soundbar, in this case Q600A, you do get this accessory pack, and the part we want for the wall mounting is in here, included. In there, two of these L-shaped brackets. Also this small pack here, paper template, these little round parts that will attach to the wall, and the screws there to attach those brackets to the bottom of the soundbar. Just fold out the paper template. And that is the template for marking out the wall. We can see there it's marked centre line, so we'll centre that on the TV. Then parts A and A for the Q600. So same template may be used for something else using B and B, but in this case it is A and A, where we're going to mark the holes to attach these to the wall. Moving on to the soundbar. That's the front of the soundbar, that is the rear. We've got these two L-shaped brackets, these parts either side for where they locate. This part marks screw if it shows up. And that bracket just sits onto there. We've got a through hole to the threaded hole there. Drop the screw in, quickly whip that in. Okay, should be nice and solid. Same again for this other side, bracket on. This part facing the rear of the bar. Next screw into there. Quickly wind that one in. Just check it's nice and tight. So that's the brackets nicely attached to the bar for now. We'll move on to the wall that I've prepared. Okay, this is a temporary plasterboard wall I've knocked up. I've mounted a TV on the wall so you can see what it looks like referencing a soundbar. On this soundbar it recommends a 5cm gap between the TV and the top of the soundbar, so I've gone for 6cm just to be safe. So I've marked a line here for the top of my soundbar. Also I've marked a centre line for my TV itself. What I'm going to do next, paper template, also marked centre line. Just going to pop up onto the centre. Top of this black line should be the top of the soundbar, so I'm just going to put that over the line there. I'm going to stretch the template out and just mark A where it says A, dot there. Same for the other side, out to A. I've got my two dots shown there. Next thing I need to do, it's easier with a large level, put my level across, somewhere on those dots. I'm just going to draw a level line all the way across. And you can see by guessing I'm off here, so I just mark across here and again here. So I've got my two fixing points on a level line there and there. Fittings I'm going to use are these plasterboard or drywall anchors that we fix into the plasterboard and then screw into. All I do, got my marking there, I just simply push the screw tip of my screw gun into there, make a small hole in there, just a pilot really for the drywall anchor, and then screw it in. Same for the other side. Just gently screw that in. Well, the next thing is we've got these two plastic sort of spacers or washers there that the bar's going to hook into. Now I'm just going to screw that to that drywall anchor. And again, same for this side. So they're the two fixings or anchor points for the soundbar. Take my soundbar with the brackets attached. That's the actual bar mounted on the wall. Only other problems we may have is how we get the cables to there neatly. So we've got the power supply cable and also HDMI or optical for our sound feed from the TV. Obviously HDMI is going to be dropping down from the TV. It says pin it in, that's the HDMI. Power supply, sometimes I actually put the power pack behind the TV and drop the cable down. So I'll just plug them in for the sake of it. First option is just a bit of plastic white trunk in there that you can paint the same colour as the wall, or on a plasterboard wall with a bit of a cavity like this one, I'd probably punch a hole behind the TV and one behind the soundbar, thread the cables down and out behind the bar so that cable is hidden. Or you can have it where you've got your power feed running up the wall and in, and your signal from the TV down to the soundbar. Or another option is brick wall. You could chip it into the wall and plaster it back up, paint it.